Welcome to the Woodworking Station at the Fruitvale Schoolhouse Museum Living History program. At this station, students will be making their own replica wooden fruit crates. Please make sure to start with introductions and by reading the history portion at the top of the laminated instruction sheet. Show students the sample box and then pair them up. Students must build in pairs, taking turns and making one box at a time. When students are ready to start, give each pair a set of materials. Each box will need 4 long pieces and 2 short pieces. Nails are in a tin on the table. Whichever student starts first will use the hammer, while their partner holds the wood to steady it. Students will start with the 2 boards for the bottom, and then 1 on each side. If students need assistance starting a nail, help where needed, but do not build the box for each student. This is a learning process. Students should hold the nail and tap it in until it's started, then finish hammering it in. Only 1 nail goes on each end of the board. When they finish nailing it, they'll put their name on the bottom. When the first box is done, they'll switch and their partner will build their box. When both boxes are complete, it's time to pick their label and glue them on. Students will need to put glue on one end of the box. Lay the label on top, and then put on another layer of glue. This will dry clear. They can set their boxes upside down with their name facing up on the benches over by the fire pit. If there's time left over, students can polish tack with the wagon in the shed. The students will put a small amount of saddle soap on each cloth and carefully work it into each piece of leather. It was important that tack, which is the leather equipment used with horses, was kept clean and well conditioned. If it became dry and cracked, it could break and this could lead to a rider being injured. At the end, please return all the materials to the wooden crate, including hammers, glue, nails, pencils, and instructions. Please empty out the water and rinse the brushes at the spigot near the side door. You can wipe the excess glue out of the tins with a paper towel in the bathrooms and then rinse the tin out at the spigot. Keep your students until the bell rings and then walk them to the next station. Thank you.